African elephant drink milk from a after being rescued and comforted. Baby Tyler had been rescued from a circus. What change needs to be made in the sentence? So letter A says change "and" to "a." Okay. So the rule on this one, it's asking you to change this word, right there, this word. So the rule is as follows. So "and" is used for words that begin, I can't even spell, begin with a vowel. The A, the E, O, O. Okay, so that means the word after has to have one of these vowels. Okay, and A is used for the consonants, which means the B, the C, the D's, the F, G's. I'm not going to name them all because, they're all the other 21 alphabet words, letters. So Africa starts with an A. So that's not the right answer because of the rule above. Change "had" to "have." So for that one, you need to know this rule. Had is past, have is present. The reason you know that is because on the present, no, let me start with the past. The past, it ends with ed. The present with the INDs or S's. I don't trust the S's a lot, but it is one of the rules. And the future tense, you'll know because it has the word will before the verb. So you conjugate the verbs, like in Spanish, you conjugate your verbs, right? Yo corro, tú corres, I run, you run, they ran, or something like that. Okay, so this is what it is. Now, in order for you to know that, you need to look at the text. The text will give you the answers. Well, help is a verb, but it ends with ed. Rescued ends with an ed. That's a verb too. Rescued again, it ends with an ed. Comfort is a verb and it ends with ed. So if this rule is correct, this tense, this word has to be in the past, right here. So that's not the answer. Delete the commas. So this one's a little tricky one. We need to make sure that we're using the comma correctly. There's a comma right there. So you know that the comma is used on a compound sentence, right? Fanboys. You look after, none of these words are fanboys. Right here, they're not fanboys. On also you use in complex sentences. The awubis. Well, there's no awubis in the beginning of the sentence. This is an awubis, but they don't go together like this. This word has to be in the beginning, so that's not it. The next word is, are you listing something? So he's saying he helped an elephant, one, and then drink milk from a bottle. Not really. This is a whole complete statement. I helped an African elephant drink milk from a bottle after being rescued. So all this is a complete thought. And comforted. Remember, you don't need a comma here because you need a subject here. So I conclude that my answer is C. That is my answer.